Tabletop exercise, violent morning. The school day starts like any other. Around 9:30 a.m., the school secretary notified you that the police were on line 1. When you pick up the phone, the police inform you that they believe the mother of 2 of your students may have shot and killed her ex-husband in his driveway as he was leaving for work. They believe she did this after the students, a 6th grader and an 8th grader, left on the school bus this morning. They received a 911 call from the ex-husband's neighbor giving a description that matched the mother's vehicle. They went to the mother's house to question her and she was not there. They have a feeling that she may be heading toward the school and advise you to lock all of the exterior doors until further notice. Pause the video at this time and review the questions on the screen. When you are ready, resume the video. A few minutes after hanging up with the police, the secretary knocks on your door and informs you that she has just received a call from the student's mother. She stated that the mother sounded very calm and she asked that her children be ready for her to pick up in 10 to 15 minutes. She claims that she forgot her kids had an orthodontist appointment this morning and she was running late, so the quicker she can get her kids and go, the better. Pause the video at this time and discuss the questions. Resume the video when ready. After the school security assistant made sure that all entrances and exits had been secured, he monitored the front doors. At 10:05, he witnessed the parent parking her car in front of the school and making her way to the front entrance. As the double doors at the entrance of the school are glass paned, the SSA can see the parent walking up, and she can see him from outside of the school. She tried to open the doors, and after realizing they were locked, she tried to talk to the SSA from outside of the building. He stays about 5 feet back from the door, keeping eyes on the unfolding situation, but he does radio your office to let you know she has arrived. She begins to press the intercom button located on the outside of the building. She begins to pace and become very agitated, yelling at the SSA to let her in the building. Pause the video and begin to discuss the questions on the screen. Resume the video when you are ready. The police arrive as the parent pulls a gun from her purse and fires 2 shots into the glass panes of the front door. Luckily, you and the SSA are the only staff members in the front lobby and you are both able to run for cover. The police shoot the parent from behind, disarming her. Ambulances and fire trucks are pulling up as this happens. The parent was not killed, but she is in critical condition as she is transported to the hospital via ambulance. Pause the video and answer the questions on your screen. Thank you for interacting with our tabletop exercise.